Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and I hope you are having a great day. We're back shopping at Aldi's. So we're going to kind of pop in. The fitness mat is $11.29. It's actually been here for a while. I'm just watching it. The price has been here about a few weeks. And it's funny, this area of the store has not changed for a while. So we'll see what they start to get in. I'm hoping they make some changes. Those cat toys have been there for the longest time, and they're still $8.99. Now for $10, you have that desktop vacuum cleaner. You get it blue or purple. I actually do have one of these. And it's really great, especially if you do a lot of crafting and little papers, and it kind of just cleans it up. Then you have that multi-purpose sonic scrubber. $10. I think that runs on batteries. I'm not too sure. But it is a cute little size, and for $10, not too bad of a price. And I always think Aldi has so many little treasures. Now this is a 4-pack of a scrubber dishcloth or a 4-pack of the kitchen towel set for $2.99. Honestly, I could use another pack of these. I like those because especially for like cleaning up the counter, and so I'm gonna definitely grab some of those. You can see the towels are way up on top. I'm not going to pull those down. They always love putting things up super high. So yeah, let's grab some of these. And for $8, the loungewear. Well, this is actually more socks. I did get a pair that only goes like a little bit past the ankle. These are a little bit longer. So they're $8 for a pack of 2. They're super soft. They're comfy. They do wash well. And you can see you have 3 different color varieties to choose from. And they're all about the same size 4 to 10 for women. And we finally found the real price of these, $14.99. These were really nice. I could see the rectangle. This one here was really, they had a few of them last week, so that one's pretty popular. But these are actually really nice, especially for charcuterie boards, serving boards, whatever you want to use them for. Now with the weather, this is always nice to have. An all-purpose mat. It's a little rough. And it's not super soft, but because you kind of want that, you have a choice of brown or gray. $4.49. You could get a couple of those, but you want it a little rough to get all that mud and dirt off. All right, here is the Crofton. This is a pancake or the crepe pan. Now there should be 2 different types of pans in here. So this one is the pancake. But these were just so tight in there, so I couldn't get the crepe pan out. We are just going to let them be. But there's 2 different ones in here, and each of these pans are $11.99. And now the rotating Belgian waffle maker. This is really pretty. I like the purple inside. And they have 2 left at this particular store. This is the Murrieta one. This is my favorite store. It's always so clean, so organized. That is $24.99. And then they had one of the high performance that touchscreen blender. And those are about $30 each. But there's only one left. Now these are those coffee scented candles, almost a copy of Ray Dunn. Not too many has sold down. $8. I think everybody's just waiting for them to kind of go down in price. They've been there for a long time. And the ladies, the spring rain boots for $16.99. So they had some good sizes. There's only a few left. I know this time of year these are going to sell out pretty fast. I have a small like ankle boot pair that I got at Sam's Club, and I actually really like those because they're easy to slip on and take off. I have a tall pair like this that I actually use for gardening because it's just easy to just hose it off, you know, all the dirt and everything. So I just hose them off, and they're tall enough I don't have to worry about, you know, the water getting in my boot. That's one of the benefits of these being so tall. And then here are the ladies 2-pack of soft leggings. And from small up to X large, they're only $10 for a pack of 2. Of course, they make them super high. And they feel super soft. If you have worn these before or used these, let us know in the comments below. You know, do they last a long time, or, you know, how well do they wash? Now for $5, we're gonna check out some of the food. The beer battered shrimp, and then right next to it is like the beer batter, the fish fillets. Those sound really interesting. The good old fish and chips. And then the Live G Free, and that is their gluten-free, $3.99 for that bread. And then $6.48, it's a good sized box of taquitos. Now, I went back the next day. So the first part we saw was on Tuesday. This is Wednesday. This is the first day of their sales. So their sales start on Wednesday of every week. And these items are not what we saw the day before. So let's check it out and see if these items are in the store, because these are some cool items. And yes, there's a lot of changes. It's amazing from one day to the next how much it changes. Now, this normally $16.99. They've already marked this down to $4.50. This was not here the day before. That dual head plant grow light. Now these I really am interested in. The work zone. And so those are $5 per package. So some of them are Velcro, some of them you could see are like the plastic ties, and they're stretchy, so you could, you know, if you want to like put a bunch of cords together however you need them. And then for $6.99, the silicone scrub gloves. This is a pair. Those feel super soft. And actually a pretty good price for those. Okay, now for $4.50, there's 2 different packs in here. There is a 3-pack, and these are kind of like dipped, and then there's a 5-pack in here. But sometimes these gloves, these are latex gloves, they don't always last super long in the garden for me. So I've bought some leather ones from Costco that I'm really enjoying. Sinus inhaler, yes, with everything that's going on with our weather, my sinuses are just off the charts this year. And so this actually sounds really nice. $25. I'm on medication, but there's still so much in the air right now. And for $30, the cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner. This is actually such a good idea, especially if you've spilled like drinks or some liquid like on the rug. It's a quick, handy, just kind of soak up that liquid if you need to. I've never seen a wet dry vacuum cleaner like this, especially, you know, this small. My wet dry is my shop vac. So very interesting. And the QI wireless car charger. This is by Tommy. We have definitely seen this brand at Costco. And this is pretty nice because if you want to have your, you know, your phone up, if you need to look at it for directions or anything, it could be charging at the same time. And those are only $23. So that's a good price for those. And the cube bins, I love these storage bins with the lids. $10 for a pack of 2. That is really nice, especially for the closet. And then for $4.99, you have these planters. The way that they're piled up, I'm very careful with these. I really don't want to break one. There's a couple different sayings, but they're just kind of tight in there. Now these were really nice. $10 each. It's a ceramic planter on a stand. I really do like these. Look how pretty this is. And I love these stands. They really just, they just really just add something to these. So this is, yeah, We're just going to put that back in. And then the desk lamp. This is really nice. I always like those where you could kind of move the light around however you need it. $35. And this travel is a bucket pet bed. So this is nice. Especially if you have your dog in the front seat. And easy to secure, that's always a plus. And those are only $20. Not a bad price at all. The laundry bags for $3.99. It's a set of 2. I do need. So there's laundry bags and then there's bra bags, but I need the laundry ones. You can put anything in there. But I like those, especially for small items. And these brushes. Now for $2.89, these are kind of nice. You can put your favorite dish soap in them. Now what's funny is that the replacement heads, so those can be replaced, but the replacement heads are not those. They're these. I don't know if they are compatible with each other. I have another type of sponge, so I'm not going to grab these because everything I look at, I don't buy. And now for $4.99, this was such a good deal. It's a set of 2, these stackable bins. I'm definitely going to grab those. And for $12.99, they brought back that 2-piece macrame plant hanger. These are always so nice. They had these last year. And these are really pretty. And check out these garden lanterns. The Kindle's already there, just have to add batteries to it. And those are $14.99 each. And then for $19.99, this is a battery work light. Really interesting. I didn't pick this up. I have a lot of lights, so I am good. But that's a good price for those. This was a really good deal. 69 cents for onions. So I definitely grabbed those. My favorite brioche rolls. And those are perfect, especially for like pulled pork sandwiches. I love the size of those. Or if you want to use them for sliders. They even have the brioche hot dog buns. And then, of course, these are my favorite, the brioche buns. These are always in stock for us. It's always a good staple. And they're pricier, I know, $4.29, and those are $2.99. Lucky Charm cookies. You make 12 of them for $3.49. And now this was really cool. This is a wooded plant stand. There just wasn't a price for it. But it's pretty tall, about 39.4 inches. I wish they had the price of it. And these these are actually really cool. These hammock chairs, and for the price of them, yeah, that says $24.99. That is such a good deal. You just want to make sure you're hanging it somewhere safe. So they had a lot of those in stock. Now this tool was cool. It's a 6-in-1 auto emergency tool. Something to have on hand. There's a lot of little things to this. So right here at the end is a magnet. So if you drop anything, you can just pick it up, especially keys. If you drop them on the floor, it has a universal charge, so you can charge it up. It has a small power bank, which is perfect in case you get stranded. You could charge up your phone if needed. And you could charge it up here if you have one of those old like chargers in your car. I actually still do have that in my car. It has a safety hammer. So when you pull this down, there's a little pin in there. If you need to break the glass, you can. And also this end, I'm gonna kind of show right here, is where you plug it in, so you can see where you could charge it up, and then also where you could charge up if you need like your phone. It has a flashlight. The flashlight has different modes in there as well. So if you need to do a flashing mode for emergencies, there's so many good little uses. This is a perfect little thing to have in the car. It has a razor, you know, to cut the seat belt. And I like this for $10. Yeah, you really can't put a price on safety, but there's a lot of good uses for that. Now, this is a 6-piece car seat cover set for $20. I wonder how long those last. And the folding trunk organizer. This is actually really nice to have. I know I have one that I purchased from Costco. It's a little different. I did pay a little bit more. I mean, $10. That is such a great deal for this. And for traveling, so there's a travel pillow or blanket set. And these are perfect for, especially for long car rides. And you get to choose between navy blue or the gray. And they're only $10. So whichever you pick, each of them is only $10. So everybody, well, I hope you enjoyed this Aldi video. And again, I think the best day to go to Aldi is on Wednesday, the first day of the sale. So let me know what treasures you have found at Aldi recently. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.